I sold that red Coleman mini bike, made a little bit of money on it, and I picked this up. Crazy story. I seen this on Marketplace for $100. If you know anything about go-karts, this is a kit cart from KartUSA, and just for the kit without the engine, they're about $1,200. It does need cleaned up and painted, but it's really just, you know, just some surface rust on there. And I have the Coleman 196 engine that I took off of the Coleman bike that has absolutely nothing wrong with it. I have some chains, I have some clutches, and everything else to get this thing rolling. So the motor fits perfectly on the go-kart. I have a clutch, I had a chain already. The dude cross-threaded this sprocket bolt, so I gotta get that figured out. But I do not fit on this thing at all. I'm 6 foot tall and it's built for probably like a 6-year-old. So after I get it going, I gotta get my brother down here to test this thing out. Cause to be honest with you, with the 6.5 horsepower engine on it too, I'm scared to death. This thing's probably gonna fly. Throttle cable's a little seized up. I tried spraying it and greasing it up. I gotta figure out a spring for the brake because as you can see, it does not spring back. I don't have the kill switch on the engine either because I used the kill switch and wired it to the Predator. But I have this headlight with the headlight switch, so I might try to figure out some way to rig that up here to make it work. To be honest, this is probably going to be one of the sketchiest builds on this channel yet. It's running! She's alive! Oh my god. There it is. This thing's gonna be such a death trap. By the looks of it here, this is not the original throttle cable. The original throttle cable is supposed to have a metal piece on here. That way, whenever this releases, it goes back in and doesn't go like that. And this throttle cable is all jacked up. The cart's on the back burner until I can order a new throttle cable. I'll order one today. They're like 10 bucks on Amazon. And it should be in next week. I went to Harbor Freight today too and got this assortment of springs to set up the throttle. Because the throttle linkage on here is all jacked up too. So I'll have to get that working right. Clutch looks like it's working like it should. This motor might need a little tune-up or something because it's running a little rough. Maybe a new spark plug in the carb needs cleaned, I would imagine. Yeah, it's got a little misfire. It might just be from it being cold too and sitting. It might need warmed up, but it's gonna need a little bit of love either way. Oh, it's smooth in and out. I guess the gasket would probably be bad in it too. Yeah, it might have some bad gas. All right. Looks like the go-kart's gonna be on the back burner until I get a new throttle cable. Like I said, I'm gonna order one here today, should be here next week, and then we can wrap that up and get Crash Test Chewy down here to ride it for us. That's gonna be it for this video. If you can, please subscribe. It's free, it helps out big time, and I'd really appreciate it. Like, share, just whatever. Again, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video whenever we get this go-kart all together and get it ripping. Peace.